So to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always tuning in, and to my new subscribers, hi, you're welcome. And guys, this is not your regular puff puff, trust me. Crunchy outside and so soft inside, very easy to put together and yet so delicious. Okay, trust me when I say you don't want to miss out on this. So guys, let's get started. So to start with, you need a bowl and a sieve. As usual, we must sieve our flour to avoid any form of death. So if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Please and please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. And guys, I'll be listing out the ingredients and the accurate measurements for this yummy recipe. Please do well to check the description box, okay? So now I'll combine my dry ingredients, go in with water and a cup of vanilla flavor. Feel free to use any flavor you want, okay? And next I'll go in with a tablespoon of melted butter. Guys, trust me when I say every ingredient here is important, okay? This makes it very crunchy outside and super soft inside. And I'll combine together with my hand. I'm using my hands because my hands are thoroughly clean. I washed my hands thoroughly because I'm going to be mixing with my hands. And finally, this is the banger, okay? This is yogurt. Of course, this is yogurt puff puff. Yogurt is our number one ingredient. So I'll just go in with my yogurt, then combine well. Make sure it's very smooth. This is just the consistency I want for this batter is not so runny. I don't want my batter to be too runny, but I want it to, and not so thick as well, but I just want it to be there and stretchy, a bit stretchy. So I'll just combine together just like this. And this is just the consistency I want, and I'll cover this and leave for 40 to 45 minutes. So 45 minutes later, let's check if our puff puff is ready to be fried. And yes guys, our puff puff has doubled in size. At this point, you want your oil to be on a medium heat because we are ready to eat our yummy puff puff. So this is how I'm going to scoop it. Just like this. Yes, I'll just scoop and scoop and scoop the quantity I know my pan can carry. And guys, once your puff puff is golden brown, just know your puff puff is ready to be enjoyed. And guys, our yummy yogurt puff puff is ready. Guys, when I say this tastes so good, this was super yummy, okay? So guys, would you be trying this very yummy yogurt puff puff? Thank you guys for watching. Please and please help me share this video. Give this video a huge and massive thumbs up. Bye.